Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Wow, my people, Dancehall Skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Alright, now first things first, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded, and in my point of view, this video had been posted on social media for some time now. Anyways, the video that I'm about to present to you shows some things that happened when a person who was traveling in a motor vehicle had been stopped by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, in the video, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said, "May I ex-police?" See? And the person also accused at least one police officer of pulling a gun. You see? Anyways, I want you to look at the video for yourself and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. You can tell me if you think the police officers did their job properly or if they did not. You understand me? Let me know what you think in the comment section of this video. Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Police. And without provocation or anything at all, the police join gun. No, honestly, this makes sense. The police, I have nothing at all illegal in my vehicle.
Sir, can you fire the door, please, on time?
Nothing at all. I want to know why I feel threatened though. Why is it that a gun was pulled on me? I feel threatened, officer. No. I feel threatened. I feel threatened. You asked me before and I told you I have nothing.
Alright, so we're going to search the video.
Yes, you can. I don't have to observe it because I have nothing. Why you not pull guns so big? Come on, man, you know better than that, man.
Listen.
Not all in a vehicle you pull gun. Police said nothing stop good. And the man pulling gun. What are the scars? Let me stop them. They can't say me big man. Not do that, man. Me an ex-police. You not do that. Yeah, but you not come because we know the procedure though. You can't come and pull your gun.
Sir, pull it up.
But me not see your face. Me can't talk to you. Me talk to him. People see it. I'm not talking to you. Me talk to this man in uniform. You have not shown me an ID. So I don't need. I'm talking to this officer. I'm not talking to you. That me I tell you. Understand me? Any lovely one got me call Mr. Ellis. Me have everything for the government. So you tell me, sir. You know I'm asked. I want ask me for documents. I do that. You know from the camera?
Every day you get video. Every day.
But you have not shown me an ID. You have not shown me an ID. I'm going to talk to the uniform police. And you're going to elevate it. You must know a procedure, man. You identify yourself to me. The only reason I talk to you is because I see two uniform police. So I can talk to them. You know I'm asking your face cover. How you cover your face and come and talk to me?
Sir, let me see your driver's license.
I am talking to him. I'm not showing you. May I be honest with you? I'm not showing you.
Relax, sir.
You're not showing people.
Have a look at your document.
Just hold this a minute, please.
Tell me what you think in the comment section.
I run to your back up, big man.
Listen.
I'm not telling you.
I have a look at your
I don't have no license. I don't have no zero. Everything is true. Everything is true. Everything. Everything is true. Nothing. What you camera promise, guys? Nothing me now. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. You see me back? Nothing me no breach. Nothing me now.
Look and listen, my people. Look and listen.
And I see the people, big man. You're in a mask. You're in a mask. And a foot. You're crazy. You're mad, man. And I can't the system of me, sir. You never train like that, mask, man. And I use badness out the road, man. And everybody work, man.
Stop you?
Alright, you don't need to validate to me. I am speaking. Listen, I am speaking. You can't anything at all you want to see. You can't see. Anything at all. I mean, I know why you try for it. You already messed up anyway. You pull gun. We have a bomb video, man. You don't do that. Not at all, anymore. Not at all. I mean, I need the police. I'm a expert. Come in here, like, when people be about professional. You don't need to interrogate me. I don't need to talk to you. Not try to justify nothing. You pull your gun and just see me. I will know about it. And you told us you were going to shoot us.
I told you that?
Yes.
You're a liar.
That is what I said to
are
him.
a liar.
I'm very scared.
Did I tell him that? As I was
No
going to
answer.
shoot you? Did I tell you that?
The problem is
Yeah, I
certificate
set
in
up
our
no
next
police,
year.
yeah? And the police are not either.
They say I'm going to shoot.
Police are
You
not
never do
either.
that.
Yeah, man, you can't say anything for the video, man.
You're going to shoot me.
Yeah, man.
Them man a come out and behave professional. Put the gun, put the something on them. Keep the camera upon them. Them man ya behave professional. You can't end up on the road with. Look at him, people. Look at him. Up on the road in a mask. The man tell me to proceed. What do you mean? What you do with me? You want me under risk disaster risk management act? What you gonna do with me? What you gonna do with me? What you gonna do with me? Show people your ID when you stop them. That's how who I go on me done. Show people your ID when you stop them. You don't come out and deal with people like that, big man. I'm your call Mr. Ellis right now. You don't have a number and I can identify you. Mr. Ellis, if you watch, see it there. See the number there for your vehicle. See, you don't do that, man. You don't do that with people, big man. Be professional, my lad.
Wow.
Me not do illegal things, so me not frightened the police. You can't do that. Yo, Bix, me respect you. You understand, man, you deal with the thing. But tell the man saying, can't, them no man in a uniform, me can't understand. See? But you know, you in a plain clothes, you know, display no ID, they pull gun and you have a mask.
I'm going, boss.
But there, man, we stop. And as we stop, the man approach wrong. The man approach wrong. Big approach right. This man the approach wrong. The man in a mask. The man in a mask. Me come out for this.
My people, do you wrong him? You wrong him? Honorable, tell me if you wrong him. Because, listen, before me say certain things, more I say this. I respect the law. I respect the law. Some of the one nobody thinks me against the law, because without police and law and order, the whole thing would be chaos. You see me I say? But police to do them work professionally. Straight up and down. You see me? My people, me hear news reports about criminals dressed as police. You know? So if someone approaching a mask and don't have a proper police uniform and say police, my people, can imagine how you might feel. Your heart probably beat fast. You probably get nervous. So on a real, I somewhat understand why that person said certain things. You see me? And in my point of view, we complied with police requests. You see me? I say, my people, but you can't tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, my people. And I real. So me I say again, I respect the law. I not do this video for this no police. But truth and right are right. You understand, my people? Anyways, let me know what you think about the video that I presented to you. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that has been posted on social media. I do not know when the video will be recorded. According to information that I got about the video, I got the understanding that the video shows some things that happened when a well-known person on social media who goes by the name of Queenie confronted a female. Allegedly, it is said that Queenie confronted the female because she believed that a person who goes by the name of Dewey on social media is staying at the female's house. The person who goes by the name of Queenie married Dewey some time ago, in viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? And based on videos that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that there seems to be some problem within the marriage or the relationship. You see? But anyways, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation. And in my point of view, I think that this video is just piece of an entire video that have been posted on social media. And I want you to please bear in mind that in this video you can hear persons yelling and shouting. The video also shows a certain amount of persons, and you can also hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Listen carefully. Listen. 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 Alright, so it is said that the confrontation escalated into a bad situation, viewers and subscribers. I got the understanding that the police have been mentioned. I'm not sure if the situation had been placed in the hands of the police or before the police or what, I don't know. So I say, I wish the best for Dewey and Queenie, viewers and subscribers, and I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So you can let me know what you think about the video that I presented to you, and if you're new to my channel, and if you have not yet clicked the subscribe button, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance.